Hi, in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to give access or add a collaborator in your Shopify store. Let's come to the computer screen, and here you will find option setting. Click this option. Here we go. Now you have to click users and permission. Here we go. You have to add stuff, and here you have to put the name of your collaborator, last name, and the email address of your collaborator. Then you have to give the permission. If it is the person who will manage the orders, then you have to click this checkbox. And if you want to add some developer, you can check these options, and after selection of desired options, you have to set the invites. So this is the way to add collaborator in your Shopify store. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.